Today's practice is going to lift your face naturally without any injections, without any surgery, and without any cosmetological procedures. Only 10 exercises will reactivate and reverse aging. We're gonna do this within 10 minutes. One exercise, 1 minute. So let's not waste any more time and jump in right away. We begin with pinches on our neck. Very important to activate the blood and the lymph in all around of our neck. This is something you can do daily in any place you have. You need to make sure that you are moving properly all along the neck. Everywhere. Under the jaw, also this place is quite tricky, can create the double chin, right? Perfect. Next exercise we're moving to is tapping. We're gonna tap along the massage lines of all our face, starting with the chin. Tapping is not so simple as it seems. Moving along the jaw. Tapping is not so simple, you might be thinking, just tapping around my face. It releases stress, I tell you 100%. If you are sitting like now at work, you feel like you are tensed, you are stressed, do tapping. Moving up. And now a little bit higher, under our cheekbones. Tapping can even release you from the nasolabial folds, I'm telling you. If you do tapping quite consistently, you will see the results. Of course, together with the other exercises, but tapping is actually very strong. Under the eyes, not so strong as all around the face, but still we hit ourselves. Now, the frown area. Quick advice. You are feeling like you're getting angry. You're feeling like it is growing in your body. The anxiety growing. Stop for a minute and tap in the frown area, and you will see how the anxiety will go away. I promise you this. I don't know how it works. There's probably magic, no science, but it works. Tapping along our eyebrows, tapping, 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 and then our forehead. Nice. And our head with the fists. Strongly hit yourself, activate the aponeurosis. And now the neckline. And we will be moving to our jaw. I want you to take the knuckles, grab with one hand right here and start kind of massaging or not strongly. We need to remove the fibrosis here. This is the reason why the double chin is appearing, because all of you know that double chin is not only fat, but mostly stagnated liquid, especially in the edges of the angle of the use. Here it is. You know, before I didn't have this, I could not see it because it was swelled. I thought it was fat, but it was swelled, you know. I didn't know that actually I was not fat as I thought. I was just very, very swelled. I have a video about swelling which you can see. Be harsh to yourself. Here is a bone. The bone gets very fibrosed, especially in this area. We are activating it the other side. By the way, you're sitting straight. Your back of the neck of your lower back must be straight. The angle, everything right here, everything. Even touch it. Do you feel that there are like some small balls inside? This is fibrosis. This is fibrosis. Fibrosis is the connection of tissues, different tissues. And now we are going to stretch it out like this, or with the two fingers like this. So it depends how you feel more comfortable. I'm gonna be doing like this because I feel more connection when I'm doing it with the knuckles. Some areas on our face we can use the knuckles, some areas we may not. So the soft tissues, definitely no knuckles. We are working with the knuckles only when there is a bone attached. Perfect. Nice. Amazing. Let's activate the lymphatic nodes over the clavicles right here. We're going to push 10 times and exhale. Not too harsh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Stroke yourself. Nice. Moving to the middle of our face, we will be putting the structure of our face to its previous position as it used to be when we were young, right? Use the knuckles, put them under the cheekbone, so find an area right here. You can see the cheekbone. Some of you are gonna have very strongly visible cheekbone, some of you are not, but the bone is always the bone. If you touch it, you will understand. You need to put the knuckles under the bone right here. In the ends, we will be targeting the upper connection of the masseter. Drop your jaw, relax, and vibrate. I'm looking in the mirror, which is on my right, because I don't see myself when I'm looking in front. Okay, it's gonna be painful. That's fine, but we need to squeeze and kind of push the upper connection, because we've already worked with the lower connection, and this is what is important. Let your masseters relax. Oh, amazing. Feels great. Nice, 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 nice. And drop it. And stretch. Wonderful feeling when we are stretching this area, right? Nice. Every time we do something with our masseters, we need to stretch them. The same as we are doing workouts in the gym. After you're doing any exercise to get better muscles, you need to stretch it. Otherwise, the muscle will get shortened and stiff and will probably accumulate more tension rather than relaxation or growing of the muscle, right? So, same here, same here. Another exercise. Now we will be lifting our face up. So put your hand right here and go diagonally. Don't worry about the wrinkles. Skin does not have fast memory. Relax. The other side. Relax. Perfect. Tapping. Tapping. Stroke yourself. Finalizing again with our knuckles and lifting the middle of our face, the maxilla bone up. Drop your elbows somewhere on the desk or where you have and lean your face like this. Like this. Relax. Just turn off everything on your face. The only connection will be under the maxilla muscle, maxilla bone, and your knuckles. It's gonna be painful, but our job is kind of like open diagonally the maxillary muscle and lift it up, put it back. This particular exercise is very useful, but you cannot do it without activation we've just done before. You might be having red spots like I do now, but they will go away. Someone will get rid of them earlier, someone later. That depends what kind of level of swelling you have in your face. So keep your palms. Very important to relax the whole face. And waving movements. Waving, and even calming, relaxing. You're going to sleep. You are finishing the day, relaxing. We need to relax our face because there was quite a strong and very consistent work. Breathe out. Slow down. We were like escalating the training and now we're slowing down. You have a place to lean on and wave. Relaxing. Let the tissues kind of take their position, warmly, calmly putting them back. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you still have not.